Good morning, everybody, and I want to wish everybody a happy Valentine's Day. And this is what I woke up to. I hope you can see it in my camera. It is snowing, guys. It is snowing in Memphis. Now, you guys know that I live in the South, and we basically have pretty mild winters. Normally, I say average temperature, the coldest is like, on average, it's like 50-ish. We do dip down, but for the most part, our winters are pretty mild, 50, 60, maybe 40, just depends. But we also get a lot of higher temperatures in the winter that's pretty mild. But check this out, guys. It's starting to snow. It is accumulating on that window below me. And it's supposed to snow for 3 days, guys. So I wanted to vlog it. So once it starts to accumulate, I am going to go outside. Tomorrow we have 100% precipitation, and currently it is 14 degrees with a wind chill factor of 1, so that is frigid. We don't know how to act down here in the South, because this is like, what? I mean, to some of you guys it may be, oh, that's nothing, especially those that live out west like Colorado, Denver area. Yeah, but guys, I am like shook to see this. And knowing that this is only the beginning. So I wanted to document the beginning of it. And once it actually gets on the ground, I'm going to take you guys outside in the snow. I want to play in the snow like a little girl. I'm so excited, guys. I'm glad I'm off tomorrow. Anyway, we'll check back in once it has done a little bit. So I hope you guys are having a beautiful start to your morning and your Valentine's Day. Hello, guys. I'm so excited. Can y'all tell that I'm excited? I don't know why. I think I was saying to myself earlier this morning that if I had to drive in this snow, I wouldn't probably be this excited. But because I only work 2 blocks away from where I live, it's not a big deal. And then there's a couple stores within walking distance, 2 or 3 blocks. So if I needed just something quickly, I could just walk to the store versus having to drive. Because if I had to drive, I'd probably be freaking out or whatever. But guys, it's really happening. I think we're going to actually get us a nice snowstorm here. It'd be nice to be snowed in, just sipping on some hot chocolate, lighting a candle. If you got a fireplace, that would be really great. I used to have a fireplace in my previous apartment, but don't have one in this one. But whatever, just make the best of it, have fun. But I'm standing in the window and I'm admiring the snow. I'm about to walk to the store because I need to get a couple things. I was thinking, I said, I'm never prepared whenever there's anything like this. I did not run out and buy groceries. They were talking the other day, a couple days ago, about how packed the grocery stores were because people were preparing for this. But I've never been that person. Even when my kids were small, I never ran to the store and went up and bought a lot of stuff. I guess I always trusted God to, that everything would be okay, and that if I needed to go to the store that I could. But I do have fish in there. Y'all know I'm not a big meat eater, so I do have a really big bag of catfish. So I said, well, let me go get some bread. I'm going to walk to the little corner market. I'm going to get me some bread. I need some toilet paper, guys, because I don't want to be using paper towels. I know, TMI. But I'm going to get me some toilet paper. I'm going to get me something to drink, like some juice or something like that. What else did I say I was going to get? Maybe some snacks, a couple snacks, because I really don't have anything in there. I got some rice, this rice dinner thing that my friend brought me the other day. Last week, it's like this box of, he went to like Costco's and bought this big box of rice. It has chicken and veggies inside of it. It was really good. So I still got a few bags of those left, so I can eat those. But I can always fry or bake my fish, have a fish sandwich or something like that. I got some canned veggies up there if I need to. But I was like, I didn't prepare for this. So I'm going to go to the store here in a moment. I'm going to take you guys outside with me. But I'm standing in the window again. Let me let y'all see where it is now. It's still coming down kind of slow, but it's getting there. I know it's not much, guys, but it is still coming down. Let me see if y'all can see the street over there. Parking lot is accumulating. Yeah. So I'm going to take you guys outside with me. when I walked to the store, put my little rain boots on. I got these cute Hunter knee-high rain boots. Oh, I didn't show you guys my Valentine's Day gift. Let me show y'all my gift that I got. I thought this was cute. I'm not a real designer person, but this is a Coach watch, and it's a red band. Thought that was really cute, but that was one of my Valentine's Day gifts, and I'm real crazy. I got these white roses, but guys, I know they look real, but they're actually silk. And I love them. You know why? Because I can keep them forever. And I just stuck them in this red vase that I already had. And in the video, I know y'all saw if y'all watching on Self-Love, and I have these chocolates. So those are my Valentine's Day gift, guys. I hope you guys are having a great day today. But I'm going to take you outside with me in just a few moments. Look, you guys. It's starting to snow. Oh my gosh, I'm loving it. I am loving it. I hope it just snows and snows and snows and snows. Let me tell you guys, it is bitterly, bitterly cold out here. Okay? Look, I only have to walk to that little corner right there. That's the store. Oh my gosh. Now, I tell you what, as pretty as this is falling, I couldn't be out here alone a long time. See? That's the store right there, so I'm like nowhere from the store. Oh my gosh, guys. It is starting to really snow. Y'all see my breath? I mean, this is like big time for us. I'm sure a lot of my northerners that are watching this, or people that live in different countries, like the UK, they get snow a lot. Y'all probably laughing right about now, but hey, when it actually gets to about I think they said 3 to 7 inches possibly. When it gets to that, I will definitely come back and let you guys see it, because when you live in the southern states of the United States, you don't get a lot of snow. And so when we get it, it's just like exciting, because usually when it does, it's gone within 2 days. It never lasts any long time. So yeah, and it's really not very many people out here today. Just a few people kind of walking around, probably just excited as I am to be seeing this. And I took my mask off because it's no fun with the mask on. I'm about to put it back on when I go in the store though. Oh my God, I'm loving it. But it is frigid. My heart goes out to any of the homeless people that I normally see out here. I don't see any today, so maybe they were able to get into shelters this weekend. I hope so, because my God, it's like that kind of cold that cuts your skin. Oh my gosh, it's snowing. It's snowing. Okay, guys, I'll see you in a bit. The special joy I found in loving you. We have had so many sweet yesterdays, and I know we have bright tomorrows too. All right, guys, let's see the progress. Let's see the progress. Oh my God, it's coming, it's coming, it's coming, guys. It is coming. Alright guys, so I'm having to get away from all this music they're playing out here now. Because these bars are trying to get people to come in. But I don't need a copyright strike. But anyway, here is the progress so far. And oh my gosh, it's kind of slick out here too. I can't even stand over here because the music is too loud. Yeah guys, so it is snowing. It is snowing. What did I do with my keys? I got them right here. I'm gonna walk around the block. So guys, it's slow moving, but it's coming. And I think in the morning, it's gonna look like a winter wonderland out here. I'm excited, guys. It is cold. It's bitterly cold though. This is not the weather to be outside in. Not this weather. But I just wanted to walk out and see the progress. I'm gonna entitle this video Snow Day. Because that's what it is. It's a snow day. And hopefully tomorrow I'll come out here and it's gonna be a good 3 inches of snow. Let's see what we got here. See, it's coming, guys. It's coming. Slowly but surely. I think this is a nice Valentine's Day treat. It is freezing out here, guys. So I hope you guys spent a nice day. Listen to all the ambulances. It's something going on somewhere. I hope it ain't a fire anywhere. But anyway, stand here and get some background. Yeah, guys, I hope that you all had a nice Valentine's Day, whatever you may have been doing today. Hope you guys have watched my video on Cinema TV. If you have not, go check it out. I'll leave a link in the description bar. But I just wanted to come out and see what the progress is right now. And I'm gonna come back tomorrow morning. I'm gonna get up early in the morning and come out here and see what's going on out here and see how far we have progressed. It's beautiful though. All right, I'll see you all in the morning.
Well, as you can see, I didn't wait till the morning. I was drawn to come out at night just to look around. Something very crisp about the air when there's snow on the ground. And for some reason, I just wanted to come out and take a couple breaths. Inhale and exhale.
It's Monday morning, and as promised, I'm about to jump outside really quick and let you guys see this snow. And it hasn't stopped yet, guys. They said it's just beginning for the day. So overnight, we may accumulate about 4 inches here in Memphis. I think they said we could get up to 8 in the city, 11 in the counties. This is record breaking. So I am shook. I kept getting up last night looking out the window like a little kid waiting for Christmas. But it's just unprecedented episode that has happened here. You know, ever since 2020, we've just been having these things that are happening in the world that we never expected or were record breaking. And just like the pandemic, it hadn't been for years. And it's just like, since that happened, we keep experiencing all of these traumatic and big episodes that we hadn't seen. Look at the president election and all of that stuff. It's just so much, guys. And I think there's so many lessons in what is happening in the world today. So let me give you this shot out the window because I don't want to stay here and talk too much. And then we're going to run outside. And I'm going to wrap up this vlog. But then I'm going to play because they said it's going to be more falling throughout the day. So I just want to kind of give you guys a preview of what it is. And I may take a picture of it. Matter of fact, I will take a picture of it on my phone, and then in a later video, if the snow looks a lot deeper, I'll post that picture in that video. So let's take a look at the window, out the window this morning. And what time is it? It's about 7:45. So as you can see, one lane on that street and the parking lot is completely covered. The roof is now covered. The windows covered, which you can see in there. You can see the flag that was in there. You can't see it now. So let's go downstairs and see what's going on. I guess the trolley is not gonna ride today or not because the rails are covered. So I wonder if the trolley is even running today. Here's my winter wonderland, guys. I would speculate that this is probably about 4 inches so far. And we could max out in the city, they said around 8. And then the county areas could get up to 11. But this is so beautiful, guys. Look how beautiful this is. So cleansing. This is one of the trolley stops. But I don't see that the trolley is ran because the tracks are covered. It is covered, guys. I am layered up. I got on long johns, 2 sweaters. So I got on a pair of pants, some long johns up under that, 2 sweaters, this and my cap. But it doesn't feel really cold right now. I know it is cold, but I'm not feeling like extremely cold right now. But they said the temperature could be around 0 in the morning, so that's cool. guys, it started back snowing, and it's snowing and sleeting at the same time, so this is really like hard. It's like smacking me in the face like little gravels. We are in for a really big snowstorm, guys. Who would have thought that this would have happened? Wow. Right at 8 o'clock, almost in the morning. You see, it's not very many people outside. I love it like this. But I just wanted you guys to get a look at the snow in Memphis. This is amazing. Alright guys, you all having a wonderful, wonderful rest of the day. And I may come out later on and get a photo and just insert in a future video of how much we actually got. But this is wow. Wow. Alright guys.